your favorite interdimensional demon defeating, debris field clearing champion. We're back on some Ratchet and Clank. Oh man, we're hyped. I love it. And man, what a nice few last episodes we've had. Some shorter ones, but some ones where it's jam-packed and we're getting stuff done. We love to see it. And we're back. Last one, we kind of messed around a little bit. We just did some stuff in the debris field. We finished doing all of the different challenges here, so hey, we're big time chilling, big time willing. Woo! But now we're back in the mode. We're trying to get the plan set up for the Emperor, and we're getting a little freaky with it. So let's get started. Let's go talk to our homies.
So how do we find the Emperor?
The final showdown is at hand. This is your last chance to acquire armor and collectibles before the end of the story. Oh, wow. Okay.
So how do we find the Emperor?
Let's do this.
Okay, we have to draw him out. So I was thinking I'd disguise myself as a robot, but with a really big...
Huh?
Do you know what that sound is? Listen closely. Is it fear? Hope? The slow inevitability of death? No, it's me.
Winning. What else is new, you say? Oh, quite right. But you are only a part of one dimension. What about the rest? Maybe I'm just old-fashioned, but I think everyone deserves a little subjugation. So, to celebrate such a momentous occasion, I'd like to honor the good doctor who inspired this journey in the first place by invading his home dimension personally.
What?
My first stop, Megalopolis, or as I like to think of it, New Nefarious City.
Oh no.
When do we leave?
Yeah.
Right now.
Are we home? I am afraid so.
Oh man. All right, well first, no map here. Okay, cool. Don't worry about checking that.
Truly turning our dimension into his own.
Nefarious is just up ahead. If you guys just
Oh, we don't need
I
that.
can try and grab the Dimensionator from above.
We'll meet you there.
Hey, furry dude! Did Frank tell you? We're Team Wombats now!
We're Team Wombats now!
You hear that?
Oh, that
Let's
is
take out some
awesome.
snipers. Rivet, how's it looking up there?
Not great, but I'm with.
He's an Ratchet! Tell him of my admirable heroics!
We got you covered. Hurry and get that Dimensionator.
Nefarious cannot. All right. Looks like the sky's clear of snipers. Let's move.
What is happening? Oh, nice. There goes again, not shooting. God, this, I don't know, man. This game is like, the last like 2 missions are really bad. Like, they're really rough. like performance rise. The missions are awesome. I don't know what's happening. Like specs and everything. Okay.
Incredible as always.
Oh my God.
They're
Ratchet
here.
and Clank.
You are the heroes of this dimension? That is hilarious.
You got lucky last time, Nefarious. Is.
This calls for a special sort of annihilation. I've been looking for an excuse to wear my new suit.
Where did he go? What's your move, Nefarious?
Oh snap! We're flying now. Oh, this is like really like wonky.
Is that a rift? Ratchet, we need your help. Nefarious just...
Oh,
Man.
holy crap!
What's gotten into you, Link? I was so used to you being dull.
Come on! We have to fight this thing! Fire at those monitors!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Rivet, you will never guess.
Quantum? What are...
We've got a plan. Just hold them off a little longer.
Right! Sure!
What do you think is my new look? I call it my power suit. I rarely have an occasion to break it out.
I guess your funeral's as good a time as any! Come on! Just have to weaken his stupid power suit!
Okay, it wasn't even shooting a laser right there. What was that? I'm not imagining this. The game is just running pretty interestingly on certain aspects.
You really think you stand a chance?
Come! There is a battle to be won!
Let's go, Pierre Lefair. I didn't think so. There, all right.
You got this, Quantum.
Emperor Nefarious, your campaign of destruction, cruelty, and wanton snobbery is over. How's that?
I have goosebumps.
You nailed it. Now jump.
You!
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
It's still working. This is not good. Everyone shoot those monitors!
Oh my goodness. didn't even realize that achievement was what we were working on.
Don't let him distract you.
Keep firing at the monitors.
Are you all okay?
Yep, it's just fighting a nefarious the size of his ego.
We're getting close. Hang in there.
You're looking hurt, nefarious.
This holds not even a candle against the battles I have won. Countless victories. Your dimension will be another in my trophy case.
Oh man. Come on, we're cooking.
Keep shooting. We can't stop now. Ouch.
Keep firing, Ratchet.
You heard him, everyone.
Oh man.
Ratchet.
Ratchet, Harry and the boss think they can help. Get as close to Nefarious as you can. I'll call fire.
Over here! I can get you into Nefarious's heart. As in the robot's heart. Sorry!
Thank you.
There, the heart. If we destroy it, we can take down his mech entirely.
Rupert, go! Defend the heart! Ungrateful citizen of this dimension. Darkest, most remote into reality. Suffering ways their tiny minds could never begin to comprehend.
It's working.
No way, it's fell off. I am literally the worst at this game.
There, the heart. If we destroy it, we can take down his mech entirely.
Rupert, go! Defend the heart! Ungrateful citizen of this dimension.
Oh my god, that thing just wiped this thing out.
Suffering ways their tiny minds could never begin to comprehend.
It's working.
Will they not just...
me, I will bring in all of my armies, all of my followers. You will bow before me!
He's gonna destroy the dimensions.
Oh my goodness.
Kit! You were right. I cannot run away anymore. I can't let you do this alone. I will hold back his army. Take him down.
Aw, yeah, kid! Yeah! Insert meme of entire room of people cheering at screen. Ah!
Do not stop.
Oh!
You all love me! I am the destined emperor of this dimension, of every dimension! This is near over. You never defeated me before, and this time will be no different.
Enough, Nefarious! You're tearing reality apart! If you don't stop!
The thankless, uninspiring dimensions are collapsing! How could I?
You're done for, Nefarious! Now everyone can finally see you for what you really are!
Come, my troopers! Let's show them who I really am!
Kid, I could use a hand! Thanks for
Oh,
saying-
yeah.
After all this time, just to betray your emperor, KT-7416!
My name is Kit, and you are not my emperor!
Oh, Vivid and Kid! How utterly charming! You will not make a fool of me!
Let's go.
Lucky shot!
Oh, that's crazy. That is absolutely a lucky shot. That's nothing else but that.
Do not let it near me!
Kid! Heavy incoming!
This isn't nearly the end of me! Not even close!
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no way. Oh. Oh. Dang it.
Do not stop! I will hold it back as long as I can!
They all love me! You all love me! I am the destined emperor of this dimension, of every dimension! This is near over. You've never defeated me before, and this time will be no different!
Enough, Nefarious! You're tearing reality apart! If you don't stop!
The thankless, uninspiring dimensions are collapsing! How could I? Eliminate them! Now! Now! Now!
More troopers flanking! Why does it not help?
them who I
Where are
really
these,
am.
these like 18 people just spawned in? What the? Emperor Nefarious has 1 health? What the? What is happening? Is the boss fight bugging?
Vivid and good. How utterly charming.
Bro, he has 1 health. Why is he not dying? What is happening right now? What is occurring? Help? Lord?
Ow, come on!
What is happening? Okay. What the fuck was that? Alright. God forbid you get his... What the fuck, dude? Oh my fucking god. This is fucking awesome. This is so cool.
This is
Really awesome. Really awesome gamer.
Never defeated me before.
This is really cool.
Will be no different.
Holy shit, I'm reloading the last checkpoint. What the fuck, dude? This game is so fucking stupid sometimes.
They all love
Like
me.
right at the fucking end? What the fuck was that? Yeah, by the way, you just fucking got him down to 1 health, 1%. Oh my fuck. Where the fuck are these other guns at? Hello? Oh my god.
You've never defeated
This
me
is fucking
before.
cool.
And this time will be no different.
Enough, Nefarious! You're tearing reality apart!
This
If you
it's
don't
dog shit.
stop-
I do not understand how the fuck we got this dude down to 1 fucking health. 1% and it just fucking like this fucking dog. All of this is dog shit. I don't know why, but like the ending of this is like fucking like horrible right now. It's running really bad. It's like I'm fucking absolutely cooking this boss. Get him to 1%. They spawn in 900 enemies, and then he doesn't die. And then that shit happens. What the fuck?
You're done for, Nefarious!
Cool, dude.
Now everyone can
love
finally
this.
see you for what you really are!
Horrible.
Come, my troopers. Let's show them who I really am.
And I could use a hand! Thanks for the save!
After all this time, just to betray your emperor.
Yeah. I'm man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man.
They all love me. You all love me. I am the destined emperor of this dimension, of every dimension.
Cool. I don't know how the fuck that works.
This is the year over. You've never defeated me before, and this time will be no different.
We got him down to 1%. Like I'm not even like this isn't even like
You don't
exciting
stop.
anymore. I literally just know that like
This uninspiring
you get him down to the very bottom and
collapsing.
he's just fucking.
How could I?
They just spawn in 900 more enemies. That's all. Really cool. What the fuck? Just went around that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Do not stop! I will hold the
All right. Sweet. Love that.
You all love me. I am the destined emperor of this dimension, of every dimension. This is the year over. You've never defeated me before, but this time will be no
Nice.
different.
Enough, Nefarious! You're tearing reality apart! If you don't stop...
This uninspiring dimensions are collapsing. Oh, how could I?
That all of that only did 79% to him? That's kind of interesting.
before, Nefarious. Now everyone can finally see you for what you really are.
Come, my troopers! Let's show them who I really am!
Kid, I could use a hand! Thanks for the save! My name is Kid, and you are not my emperor.
Went away with 70 health. I mean,
Up already!
oh, cool. Oh, lovely, lovely.
Destroy the rebel warbot! Do not let it near me!
Kid! Heavy incoming!
This isn't really the end of me! Not even close!
Hey, that's coming!
Eliminate them! Now! Now! Now!
More troopers flanking! Wipe them out together!
I
Let's
literally
show
don't
them how it's
understand
done.
how that one where we just
I will not let you win!
okay, cool.
Up ahead!
Where are my troopers? Come, my loyalists! Every one of you! Come together to fight for your beloved Emperor!
Oh my.
They're all
What is that?
gone! Hello? No one?
Nope!
Enough! I will collapse every dimension into nothingness!
Overclocking the Dimensionator!
Oh.
Empty void!
This is the part where you lose!
Oh, wow.
You really thought you had me?
Oh, snap.
Get off of me, you loathsome... Please, we can win this together!
What do you know about winning?
Oh, wow. Oh!
You two really are a couple of hot shots.
Look who's talking. Ready to fix this, pal?
I would love nothing more.
Hooray! Hooray!
Hey, I'm sorry for what I said before. You're my friend. And thank you for coming back. Team? Team.
I guess it's time to go home, huh?
Yeah. Our dimension could use a couple heroes right about now.
Well, how would you two feel about making a pit stop on the way?
Where are we headed?
I think you know.
Oh, yeah!
Is that us?
That's cool. Oh, man! That is awesome. You know, I'm not gonna lie, although at the end it kind of started to slip a little bit with like performance and like I don't know, certain cutscenes were looking a little rough, but wow. What a just an awesome game. I had a blast playing this. Oh man. I wonder if they're gonna pull a Marvel. Do you guys think that they have like a cutscene at the end of the credits here? You guys think I don't think I skipped this, no? I don't think I can skip this. Oh, look at Clank's arm. He has a new arm. Nice. I'm glad that we finished that little side quest here. We got that all completed. Oh, he's the new captain now? Or is he fighting with him? Oh, are they heading back to the homeworld? I think that's what they were alluding to at the end, right? Oh, shout out to Gary. I don't know if they're all named Gary, but shout out that Gary. All right, now we're at the special thanks. I'm assuming we're probably almost done here. Juice. Oh, and credits created by PlayStation Studios Creative. Wow. Nice. Yeah, no, we're not watching a second, like, you know, like a second credit scene. We gave him a little time there, but we don't need to give him more. You've unlocked challenge mode. Keep all of your weapons and play through a harder version of the game and get new weapon upgrades, earn more bolts with bolt multiplier, create a new challenge mode playthrough at any time through a title menu. Okay, would you like to go back in before the final fight to finish any remaining activities, or exit title menu? Title menu, we already got everything done. We everything done before this. Now, granted, there was Kreger Bears or the Craig Bears or whatever. I 100% did not look for those or go for those. I only found out afterward that those are a thing. So when I see we got everything, I know there might be one very excited person in a comment section ready to go, well, actually, but you trust, I got almost everything except those, which were not marked on the map and hidden, and like you have to go out of your way to like look in every nook and cranny. No thanks. So I got all of this set up for us. Man, what a good game. And you know, there's not many games that we've played through all the way and have like an end credit scene run. Like, we've only had like maybe 10-ish games that we've done that on compared to other people or others who have been doing it for years who have hundreds. So it's cool to have another one under our belt and another fun one under our belt. This is great. So I really hope you enjoyed. Please have a beautiful rest of your days and nights wherever you are. Drink some freaking water. And man, stay interdimensionally aware. You never know if you might get pulled in and have to go co-op with yourself from another place to save the universe. Man, I love it. Stay lethal, everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye.